Alright, we live. I feel like I look like I'm about to go swimming. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria if you don't know me, and in today's video we're just doing this little hairstyle, short, very summer friendly. I'm just gonna be installing it and styling it for you guys. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of like behind the scenes in my videos on my Instagram story and stuff like that, so if you want to see that, or if you just want to respond to my stuff, tell me what hairstyles I should do or anything like that, you can do it over there as well. So definitely follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got my hair to look like this, then keep watching. Okay you guys, so I'm getting ready to install my wig. This is the wig that I'm installing. It has already been plucked and bleached. That video should be up before this one, so I will link it above if you guys want to go watch it. So this is the wig that I'm installing. It's 16 inches and I've never worn it before. I'm just gonna take all the T-pins out. I always save my T-pins like by just sticking them back in the head, and it just be feeling so weird because I feel like, I don't know, like I'm sticking pins in somebody's face. I mean, not like really, but you know, like it doesn't feel weird to y'all. Okay, so this is my wig. Like I said, it has already been plucked. Oh, you know what's crazy? I just did all that, but I'm definitely gonna do this bald cap method first. So I'm just taking a wig cap. You can get them at your local beauty supply, obviously. I know people are not trying to go outside right now, so you can also get them from Amazon. As always, I'll link stuff below. I only link stuff that I've purchased in the past and I actually like, so you know it's legit. So these are my braids. I don't know how to braid, so I had to get someone else to braid it for me. So shout out to my sis. But yeah, like as you guys know, like my hair's kind of long, so I'd be having to like put them kind of crazy back here. I just wish I knew how to braid it in a style that like doesn't require so much. So I'm actually gonna use this wig cap instead because that was the one that came with the wig. It was fitting like weird. I'm just gonna use the ones that I got from Amazon. Yes, this is like way stretchier. I don't know what they gave me, that's weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off or like make a hole. Not really like cut, because when you cut it, the hole gets really big out of nowhere. So I'm just gonna like yeah, there we go. So I got like a little hole, and now I'm just gonna like spread it kind of around my ear so that this all stays flat. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just like kind of slit it and then just spread it out. All right, we live. I feel like I look like I'm about to go swimming. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Got2b spray and I'm just gonna spray it, not too much. So I'm realizing that I kind of forgot to like get my baby hairs out of the way. I mean, they were braided into the braids, but there was like a few that didn't feel like they wanted to listen and go with the program, so they kind of came out, and I forgot to edge control them before I put my cap on. So if you guys are gonna do this, make sure you edge control your baby hairs back before you put the cap on, because it's just gonna be annoying trying to like push them out the way, because I'm most definitely not trying to get any glue on them. So I'm kind of just pushing them back. It's not a lot, which is good. So now I'm just gonna let that dry. I know a lot of people blow dry it. I'm actually low-key kind of impatient, so I usually blow dry it too, but I don't have my blow dryer with me. I don't have like my normal blow dryer with me. I just have this Revlon one that I use on my natural hair, which is this. But it does get pretty hot, so I am gonna just like try it and see if it works for this. Okay, so it's dry now, so I'm just gonna start to razor it off. I don't really like to use the razor on this little part right here, so I'm gonna just cut it. And then boom. Okay, so basically this is what we got. This side got a little messed up. I was getting a little bit too razor happy on that side, but it happens, it's totally fine. So now I'm gonna take my Ebin tinted lace spray. I used to put makeup, like my foundation on it, but this is just like faster, easier. And I'm just spraying it on just to make sure that this is the same color as me, because obviously this is like a lot lighter than I am. Okay, so I colored it, and now I just want to cut this a little bit because, I don't know, I just don't think I want it to be that far forward, so. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut like a little bit more. Dang, I kind of got a little, I'm getting like too razor happy on this, but it'd be like that sometimes. Okay, so now I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue and I'm just gonna put that on. And then I'm just gonna spread it out. Basically so that this end part of the cap, like you saw how it was sticking up a little bit, now I can get it to like lay down. And I'm gonna do 3 layers of the Ghost Bond because it better stick, okay? Since I kind of like messed up the cap on this side, I'm not really putting the glue on the cap because I don't want it to be like that close to my hair. I'm putting it on like where the cap should be, if that makes any sense. And then same thing on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the wig and we're just gonna stick it down right where we want it. Oh, I'm tripping. I almost forgot like a very vital step. So first, I'm gonna spray the wig with the same thing that I sprayed my wig cap with, which is the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray again. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it down. I'm just gonna brush the hairs out the way. So now I'm taking that same razor that I was using to cut the wig cap and I'm just gonna cut the lace. Again, I kind of like to just use scissors for this part right here. And then I do the lace. And I'm kind of like making it jagged because you don't want it to be like a straight line because then it won't melt as nicely. And that's kind of like how people end up seeing your lace. So you want to do it in like a zigzag so that the line isn't as straight. I'm just gonna comb the hair out of the way so I can really see what lace I need to cut. Okay, so now I'm just going back in and cutting more of this lace that I see is like not cooperating. And it's really just extra lace. Like this lace had no purpose. It had no hair on it. So it's kind of like you just cut it because it doesn't have to be there. Like why have excess lace when you don't need to? I'm gonna spray some Got2b on it and then I'm gonna tie it down and then we basically gonna be done. I'm just gonna leave it on there for a minute and then come back. Okay, so I started to flat iron it, but I don't really like how it's just not like as bone straight as I would like for it to be. So I'm not even focusing on it being bone straight anymore, if you know what I mean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this little bit of volume and we're just gonna have to make it go in our favor, you know? And I'm gonna tie this down again just because I don't wanna be pulling on it. I'll just untie it at the end. Okay, so yeah, basically I'm just gonna start curling it because you know, when you curl your hair, you want there to be volume. So this is what I mean by taking this volume that we really didn't want for our straight hair and using it in our favor. I'm just taking my wand curler and I'm just gonna go ahead and basically just curl my whole head. And I sprayed a little bit of Got2b, by the way, not too much. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just comb it out. I'm gonna add some baby hairs. I'm gonna take like a tiny bit of edge control. This is the Ebin edge control. I don't wanna do too much. Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out. Summery, very light. I'm loving it. I feel like this is cute for if you're just chilling at the house, because I know a lot of us are chilling at the house right now. It's very simple. I definitely feel like it looks way better than when I just had it straightened because that was like not really working out for us. I hope that helped you guys too. If you ever have any hair that just has volume in it, it's not straightening the right way, now you have something else you can do with it. Sometimes you just have to, my earring literally just fell out. But yeah, sometimes you just have to restyle your hair, go in a different direction, and it comes out really nice. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, of course, if you have not already subscribed. All of those things really help me grow as a channel. Thank you to all of you guys who are already subscribed. But anyways, I hope you guys love it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.